This is my 2009 Laredo. I'm going to show you what I did here to make it a little bit easier to drain my water heater after every trip. I have a 3-inch piece of galvanized piping, a fitting to convert to a hose, and then what I have, as you can see down here, I have a lever. It's just a ball valve. I'll turn it maybe a little bit so you can see. All I have to do is turn that handle right here, open and close. Drains out my water heater much faster than messing around trying to get that nylon hex off of there. Hope this might help some of you.